What happens to your body if you eat kale every day? Kale, a nutrient-packed leafy green, has gained immense popularity as a superfood due to its rich array of health benefits. Incorporating kale into your daily diet can have remarkable effects on your body and overall well-being. In this comprehensive video, we will explore what happens to your body if you eat kale every day, and uncover the surprising health advantages of this nutritional powerhouse. 1. Nutrient boost. Kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron, providing your body with essential nutrients. 2. Enhanced antioxidant intake. Kale is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. 3. Bone health. The high vitamin K content in kale contributes to bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and supporting bone density. 4. Heart health. Kale's fiber, antioxidants, and potassium content promote heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and maintaining healthy blood pressure. 5. Digestive support. The fiber in kale supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and fosters a balanced gut microbiome. 6. Vision protection. Kale contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that contribute to eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 7. Weight management. Kale is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight management diet by promoting feelings of fullness. 8. Immune system support. The vitamins and antioxidants in kale strengthen the immune system, helping your body fight off infections. 9. Skin radiance. Kale's vitamin C content supports collagen production, promoting healthy and radiant skin. 10. Anti-cancer properties. Kale contains compounds like sulforaphane that have been linked to potential cancer preventive effects. Incorporating kale into your daily diet can unlock a wide range of health benefits, from enhanced nutrient intake and antioxidant protection to improved heart health and digestion. This versatile leafy green can be added to salads, smoothies, soups, or sautéed as a side dish. Embrace the power of kale and enjoy the remarkable benefits it offers for your body, mind, and overall health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.